Welcome to our review of the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card, a premium travel card that stands out in 2024 for offering substantial benefits at a lower annual fee compared to its competitors. With an annual fee of $395, this card is designed for travelers who want luxury perks without the hefty price tag. The Capital One Venture X is an excellent option for those who prioritize earning rewards through travel spending. New cardholders can start with a welcome bonus of 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 within the first 3 months. This is equal to $750 in travel, making it a substantial offer right from the start. Earning rewards with the Venture X card is straightforward. You earn 2 miles per dollar on all eligible purchases, 5 miles per dollar on flights and vacation rentals booked through Capital One Travel, and 10 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars when booked via Capital One Travel. Redeeming these miles is equally simple, as you can apply them toward any travel purchase made on your card or transfer them to over 15 travel loyalty programs. The card also offers notable travel benefits, including a $300 annual travel credit when booking through Capital One Travel and 10,000 bonus miles each year on your card's anniversary. In addition, cardholders get complimentary access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, thanks to the Priority Pass membership. However, it is worth noting that the Capital One Lounge network is still in its early stages, so access is somewhat limited. Compared to other premium travel cards like the Platinum Card registered trademark from American Express and the Chase Sapphire Reserve registered trademark, the Venture X card stands out with its lower annual fee while still offering comparable perks. However, it does have some limitations, such as a lack of domestic airline and upscale hotel travel partners, which may be a drawback for some travelers. The Capital One Venture X is ideal for frequent travelers who want to maximize rewards and enjoy premium travel benefits without the high costs associated with other luxury travel cards. If you're someone who can make the most of the travel credits and lounge access, this card could be a valuable addition to your wallet. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.